Ma Long, the GOAT, the greatest player of all time. The debate is over. The legendary Ma Long wins an epic Tokyo 2020 final showdown over Fan Zhendong 4-2. Ma Long is 3 times World Table Tennis Champion and also becomes the first man to retain his gold medal. He is the first player in history to get the title Double Grand Slam. It is an amazing performance of Ma Long. He is no doubt the best table tennis player in history. At 32 years old, he defeated Fan Zhendong again. Incredible performance. Ma Long started the game strongly. He won Fan Zhendong the first set easily, 11-4. My prediction is wrong. Ma Long is stronger than me, you know? Ma Long, the GOAT, the best player. Ma Long, the greatest of all time. Congratulations on achieving the impossible. The greatest ever of history. No argument, the greatest ever. Everybody thought Fan Zhendong is going to win, but no, Ma Long is the best. Ma Long says he thank you for your predictions. He was upset. Ma Long saw my video last night.